How to install an air conditioner. Procedure. 1. Consider an air conditioner of 1 ton AC installation. Answer. Cooling load, 1 ton. At first convert this cooling load in terms of kW, i.e., 1 tons equals 3.51685 kW. Now, from nameplate details /A, C catalog, find out ER. The ER depends on star ratings of the A/C. 1 star. ER between 2.7 and 2.89. 2 star. ER between 2.9 and 3.09. 3 star. ER between 3.1 and 3.29. 4 star. ER between 3.3 and 3.49. 5 star. ER beyond 3.5. Calculation. The equation for ER equals cooling load output in kW divided by electrical input. Consider the A/C is 1 star. The ER would be of 2.8. Then, 2.8 is equal to 3.51685 kW divided by X, i.e., X equals 3.51685 kilowatts divided by X. X equals 1.256 kilowatts. Now, we know that electrical power equals VI cos O, assumes the cos O equals 0.85. Then, 230x Ix 0.85 is equal to 1.256 kW. I equals 1.256 kilowatts divided by 230x 0.85 equals 6.42 A. MCB selection. Full load current equals 6.42 A. Safety factor of 30% need to be considered. Then MCB rating shall be is equal to 6.42 times 1.3 equals 8.346 A. We shall be gone with 10A dipole MCB. Cable sizing. 1.5 mm 2 copper cable is sufficient. Can be used 2.5 SQ mm also.